Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing new set of carbon wheels for my road bike. So I've just bought my first pair of carbon clincher wheel set. So I'll be using this throughout the summer, shedding some weight of the bike, which will help me ride more efficiently and stay on the bike for longer. So the wheels that I've got today is quite special. Let's start off with the unboxing. This is the box that the wheel set came with. Fairly decent. There we are. So inside the box we have, let me put this down, set of user's manual. Won't be reading that. Check this back in the box. Right, so this looks like quick release skewers, carbon brake pads and tubeless valves for the bike. So the wheel set is tubeless ready. Right, so take this out. So these are the wheel sets. So this is from a brand called EFS, which is based in Derbyshire, England. These are locally manufactured wheels, and that's one of the reasons why I went to buy these wheel set. So EFS stands for Engineered for Speed. As I told you earlier, they are based here in the UK. So customer service so far has been excellent. They've been really good with responding to emails and all my questions. They're also on Instagram. If you want to follow them, I'll put links on my description and their website as well. So I've got the website opened up on my laptop here. These are the 38mm deep wheels, and the width of the rim is 25mm. So it's fairly broader. So I'm gonna use a 25C tire. So the rim profile will be like 27.5 or 28. So that will help with comfort, and the rolling resistance from the tires will improve, and it will be more smoother on the road. So that's the front wheel. It's fairly lightweight. So the front wheel's got 20 spokes, and they're not CX-ray Sapien spokes. These are pillar aero spokes, black in color. The wheel set itself is really nice, well built. The braking surface is smooth, unlike other wheel sets where they have serrated grooves on the braking surface. And the logo is, I've been told that these are not stickers, they've been etched on, so these don't peel off or come off so easily, so that's really good. Finish is excellent. So this is a matte finish with unidirectional carbon construction, and it's made of Torre T1800 carbon fiber. So let's put this to one side and let's check out the rear wheel. So let's check out the rear wheel. Packaging is quite good, to be honest. I'm just not so happy with the box that it came with. It had gashes to both sides of the box, but I think it's a mistake of the carrier rather than the guys posting it, rather than the brand itself. So I'm not so worried with that. There was no damage. I checked it, so I'm happy with that. So that's the rear wheel. I have the cassette pre-installed already, and they do these services as well. So when you buy your wheel set, you can order cassettes, tubes, tires, and there's also options for custom building your wheels with DT Swiss hubs, CX-ray Sapien spokes, which will make the wheels even more lighter. And so if you want to have a custom built wheel done, you can let the manufacturer know via email, and they'll respond to you. So that's the other option as well, but I think the custom built wheels will cost you a bit more than the stock standard build. So I also got a pair of summer tires to go with my wheel set. So this is the Hutchinson Fusion 5 performance tires with tan walls. So they'll look really nice on the bike, and they'll offer lesser rolling resistance. They come in at about 210 grams, which is fairly light. Since the wheel set is a 38 mil depth, the standard inner tubes that I had earlier were 42 mil Presto valves, so they were quite shallower. So I went and got some 60 mil Presto valves, so I have more clearance to put my pump, so I can pump up the tires. So if you're getting deeper wheels, make sure you get the right inner tubes with the right length of the valve. Let's now weigh the wheel set. I'm so excited to weigh them because the stock wheel set that came with my bike is really heavy and cumbersome on climbs, so I think this will make life easier on the bike. I've got a old weighing scale, so this is not digital. Let me turn it around so you can see. And I've also got a block of sellotape, which will act as a base for the wheel set when I weigh them, so it doesn't fall off. So this comes in at about 60 grams. Let's weigh the front wheel first. Let's have a look. So this comes in at about 700 grams. So if we take out 60 grams, that will come up to 640 grams. So that's 640 grams for the front wheel, and then let's weigh the back wheel. Since we've got the cassette on already, I've just looked on the internet, and the claimed weight for the Tiagra 10-speed 32 cassette is around 354 grams. So we'll factor that when we weigh the wheel. So the rear wheel comes in at around 1,240 grams. So if we take around 60 for the tape and 54, which is around 400 grams, so it'll come around 810 grams roughly. So the manufacturer's claimed weight is 1,390 grams plus minus 40. So we're in that ballpark. I'm very happy with that. And we also have to factor in the pre-installed rim tape. So I'm not going to install the wheel set onto my bike, put the new tires on and the inner tubes, and change the brake pads that I've got for my alloy wheels. And let's see how the bike looks after the installation. I also wanted to share why I went with these wheels rather than the Scribe. So the Hunts, firstly, is price. Really good price for the wheel set, good value for money. The other options were Prime, which I wasn't so keen on. People commenting that the wheels are of good quality, and and they had some durability issues with the hubs. So I wasn't too keen on the Prime wheel set. I was also looking at the Winspace Loon wheels, but they only came in at 30 mils. I wanted something deeper than 30, and so I didn't go for them. And the Hyper wheels are 38 mils, but they're not in my budget, so I went with these instead. So if you're in the market for a budget-friendly carbon set of wheels, which are lightweight, which can be used for training as well as for racing, so I recommend EFS wheel set. I also want to tell you that I'm not sponsored by the brand and I've not paid any money to make this review, so I can say whatever I feel like, and as the days go by and the number of miles that I put on with the wheel set, I'll let you know the pros and cons and see how the wheel set performs on the road. So let's get cracking with the installation then. So finally managed to put the wheels on and mount those tires on these wheels. They look absolutely fabulous, especially with the tan mold tires. I'm very happy with how it looks, and time for free up sound check. Here you go. It's got a lovely ring to it. I love the free up sound, it's really good. And the brake blocks are very good as well, they stop really well. I love to test these wheels out on the road and see how they perform. So right, do consider subscribing to the channel if you want to watch all of my videos, and press that bell icon to be notified every time I post new content on my channel. And I'll see you guys for the next one.